Man, so this problem, when you look at it, looks really tough, right? You got exponents with fractions and subtraction and man, so if you see something like this, just take a deep breath and then go back and see what it's saying because really this is a pretty simple problem if you know how to work with exponents. So we've got this expression and it says it's equal to this expression. Okay. Well, how did they get from this to this? So this is kind of written backwards. So I think that's part of what confuses people. It would look more normal if you had this set equal to that because they're starting with this and then they're simplifying it to get this. So just now when I was looking at that, I just realized that's why it looks so confusing because it's kind of backwards. So how do you get from here to here? Well, when you have powers divided by powers, so you have exponents here divided by another exponent, the way that you simplify that is if they have the same base, which these do, they have a base of 4, you just simply subtract the exponents. So all you do to simplify this is take 2/3 n minus x, and that gets you to here. All right, so let's write that down. So we've got this. I'm just going to put an arrow here going down. That's not very good mathematically, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have 4, and then I subtract the exponent. So I have 2/3 n, and then minus. And the question was, what is the value of x? Well, if we just look at this, it tells us right there. The value of x is 3. Now be careful, don't say it's -3 because there's a minus sign. These both have a minus sign. So it's asking what would go right here and what would go right there is 3. So looks terrible, but it's really not that bad if you know how to simplify fractions, or not fractions, simplify exponents. Sorry. All right, so you're doing great. Probably better than me, actually. Keep up the hard work, and you will master the math.